I'm sure we're going to have fun. We're going to enjoy ourselves. Or we have some incredible people who've done exceptionally well for themselves in their respective fields. So looking forward to meeting a lot of my friends, and best of luck to everybody.
Okay, sir, is there any nomination? Are you looking forward?
Is there any nomination?
Yeah.
Well, I wish I was nominated, but the point is I'm working. So maybe the next year I would be nominated and would get an award. But
Okay, so as you're hosting this award, so how excited are you? Nervous or excited?
I'm always nervous. I always have butterflies in
That's
my
a
stomach.
lie. That's a lie.
Always nervous, always have butterflies, and I always I hope for the best. That's what I do. अभी तो hosting दिमाग में है तो उसी पे focus रखते हैं. But yes, couple of web series in the line, and as and when things happen, I shall let you know. The point is today we always have a clause mentioning that you cannot give the name of anything. That's how they try to protect their babies.
Okay, so how are you looking forward to 2022?
I hope it's more positive. I hope COVID goes away. I hope everybody makes money. I hope everybody is fine. Everybody in their families are fine. And everybody has a successful career.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And that goes for you too.
Thank
Okay.
you. Bye-bye.
I'm okay. I'm not a very excited kind of person. Yeah, we got. It's nice to actually. I haven't walked a red or slash black carpet in a while, so it's nice to be here. I hope we're all safe, and I want to be masked up very soon. I'm very scared suddenly.
Okay, so are you nominated for any award?
I'm winning something. What am I winning? I forget.
Okay, so talking about Inside Edge,
Right.
Inside Edge is doing really well. Third season came up. It's an awesome season. You have done great work. So tell me something about that. How does it feel to get three back-to-back good season of Inside Edge and one more short third is also coming up? So tell us something about it.
Well, I'm very glad that people are liking it because a lot of people really loved the first two seasons, and for it's a big expectation, and I'm glad people are really liking it. I've not seen the whole season. I've seen some of it, which I really liked, and I think the writing is great. And for any show or film, the writing is at the crux of it, and if it's written well and all the characters are really well. Very well drawn out, and so it's a lot of. I love playing Rohini, so it's very close to my heart.
Okay, so
In real life, my friends. Well, I have like a lot of girlfriends and very solid ones. I'm very grateful for their presence in my life. I would say, I don't want to take two names and three names because I'm going to offend the others, but they know who they are, and it's amazing. After a certain age, I think women especially realize that the bond and the understanding that you can have with women, because you need your sisters, your tribe around to root for you, to stand by you, to be your pillars, and I'm very thankful that I have like a solid bunch of women who I love completely.
okay, so talking about two seasons, you were a great journalist of two seasons, and the third season is coming up. So you would you like to share something? You will be still a journalist, or you will play some other different role?
Please watch this whole season and see.
Okay, so 2022 is coming up. So how you are looking forward for this year?
I hope everyone's safe. I hope the third wave doesn't come. I hope Omicron does not create havoc, and I hope just everyone to be healthy and really, and people to be a little more responsible. So I hope you wear a mask and not.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you. Shoot.
I am because it's for the Style Award, and it's different from what I usually come to get. So yeah. Yes. Diva of the year. Diva of the year.
Ma'am, so talking about you and Shahid Sheikh, the chemistry always looks good. The people want to see you in the songs also because there are so many songs out for Shahid and Sheikh.
I hope that we, because we have discussed this ourselves, that we should do a music video together. So we are looking forward to doing a music video ourselves. We are only waiting for that one music video to come.
Okay, so talking about your show which ended recently, it was a great show. So we see third part of that show.
We already did the third part. I don't know if there's going to be like a fourth part to it or not, but I don't know. I can't say because we didn't know if there was a third part coming either. I don't know, it's better not to expect anything much because if you get your hopes up for anything and it doesn't happen that way, then you are left disappointed. So I just don't expect.
Thank you so much for
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm good. Yes, thank you. What am I expecting? I'm expecting to have a good time here, and it's good to see everyone out. Everyone hopefully vaccinated and out. Yeah, I am. For actor turned producer. It's a new category to be nominated in. This is new for me, no? I'm a first time producer, so from actor turning producer, it's nice to be nominated for this.
Okay, ma'am, so tell me something about your journey about actor turning to producer. Is it difficult or is it really easy?
Nothing is easy. You need a solid team supporting you, and by the grace of God, I have a good setup. So we did our first film, Ek Dua, and thanks to Farzad and Woot for giving us a platform to showcase Ek Dua.
Okay, so ma'am, few days are left for 2021, 2022 is coming up. So, क्या expect are you looking forward for 2022?
I think this 2020 and 2021 has gotten a lot of awareness as far as health and fitness and staying healthy is concerned. So I hope that is maintained, and it only people grow even more and more healthier and look after themselves much more. So I want that to continue, and I don't want obviously the biggest hindrance in all our lives, COVID. I pray to God that it just disappears in thin air.
Okay, ma'am, so Christmas is coming up. So any plan for?
And the geese are getting fat.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
No, Christmas, I'm joking. That song is there, I sang the song. Christmas is coming, the geese are getting fat. I'm into nursery rhymes now because I have 2 kids at home. Of course, Christmas, well, I get lovely gifts for my kids, and we decorate our Christmas tree, which is already decorated. So, I mean, eat a lot of marzipan and go to the gym the next day. My kids? Oh, their list is never ending of their gifts. They are still not yet, they've not yet started writing yet, but they tell me and I write their letter to Santa and we put it in their wish list. So their list is mostly makeup and a lot of dolls.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a great time.
Hi guys, how are you?
Okay, ma'am, so award 2021 अभी award function होने वाला है. So how excited are you for the award?
I'm very excited because, I mean, been nominated, so I'm really excited for these awards.
Okay, so as you said, you are nominated. So in which category you are nominated?
In digital, because I just did my debut in digital. So, thank you. I'm wearing Ada Malik today, and she's an upcoming designer. She's also our very own Anu Malik's daughter. So I'm very excited that she's trying something that's so different from what her dad does, and she's shining, and I love what I'm wearing.
Okay, ma'am, so as you said, you just did a debut and it was a great job what you have done.
I've done a short film. Yeah.
So do you get any compliment from Ajay sir, Kajal ma'am? Any kind of compliment you would like to share something?
I don't, you know, when we talk normally. So we don't actually think of it in terms of like, oh, ye compliment mila hai ya kuch. So I think it's just normal.
Okay, ma'am. So Christmas is coming up. Seems like you are in the vibe of Christmas yet. So how excited are you for the Christmas and what are your plans for Christmas?
Absolutely. I'm very excited for Christmas. I think this year we're all excited about Christmas, but we're all going to spend it with people we are very close to because there is unfortunately a virus out there. So we're all trying to be careful, but we're celebrating with, you know, being careful. Yeah. I'm not expecting anything for 2022. I think every year when you're trying to expect something, you just get hit with these very dangerous things that happen. So this year I'm keeping my expectations open and I'm just keeping happy thoughts and positive thoughts and wishing the best.
Okay, ma'am. So Big Boss 15 is going on as part of Big Boss. So are you following? Still you are following?
Unfortunately, I don't follow Big Boss, but my friend is there, Shamita, and I wish her all the best.
Okay, so if you get a chance to go back inside that house,
Now, I can't answer if and what and when and why and what's going to happen. Who knows? क्या पता? किसको पता था कि COVID होने वाला है? Exactly ना. So thank you so much and Merry Christmas everyone.
thank you, ma'am.
The awards to happen. It's a wonderful day and it's a pre-Christmas and I think it's very beautifully organized. I've just walked in and I can see all the decor and everything lovely done, and you guys are all here, so I'm not really expecting anything because I don't know what to expect, but of course there will be merits for whatever people have achieved in their lives, so I think it's a wonderful day for all that. Yes, I am. For the Beauty Award? Thank you. I just think it's a very humbling feeling, and though I think it's not something that I can take credit for because, yeah, you're born with certain looks and it's genetic. But it's also nice that they validate that you must take care, because I feel that women should take care of themselves and make that extra effort. So I think that's a wonderful thing, because I think women take more care of themselves and they look better and better, and they're very conscious and they're grooming themselves, and so I think that's very encouraging, and I would like them to keep getting encouraged. So I think this is a wonderful platform for encouraging people, whether it's talent, whether it's beauty, whether it's fashion, whether it's everything that there is. And yeah, I think it just validates that you do better. Yeah, it's actually a 1920s vintage styled gown. So yeah, I think the 1920s is back. So it is a Christmas feel, and definitely it's in the air, and we're all enjoying that, aren't we? I can't hear you. I think I'm looking for no virus. I'm looking for better health for the world. I'm looking for people being happier and people being healthier and being able to do more work, more creativity, and enjoying their lives and enjoying the precious moments that they have with their families and friends, because we have lost a lot of people in the last 2 years, and I think we've all learned to value much more, and I think we should hold on to the dear ones and cherish all of them and each other, whether it's friends, whether it's family, whether it's acquaintances, whether it's meeting you all. So I think we should cherish all that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm excited because I'm receiving an award, so very excited.
Okay, so in which category you are?
Most inspiring female actor advocating mental health, so it's very, very close to my heart, and I'm really, really excited to this. Why you always ask about this question?
So would you like, if you get a chance to go inside that house, so would you go?
No, but this is not about that house. Why do you always ask about that house?
There are so many fans who want you to sneak inside that house.
That's fine. We can talk about it separately. Thank you.
Award function is going to happen, so how excited are you for this award function?
I'm so happy. It's a great ending to 2021 and a great beginning to 2022. जब दिसंबर में अवार्ड मिले तो खुशी बहुत होती है.
Okay, ma'am, so are you nominated for any award?
Yes, I am. I'm nominated for the most versatile actor of 2021. So I'm more than happy to be here. Lal Singh Chadda is out for release in April, so I'm most excited about that. And I've been shooting for 2 more web series about which I can't talk. Next year release hoga, and that's a very big banner, a great role. I'm excited and happy. Yeah, my second film. Yeah, I feel very lucky because it rarely happens, in the industry that you get to work with the legend twice in your career. So yeah, I think I'm the chosen one. Thank you. So there is this designer called Hina Kochar. She's from Delhi. So I got in touch with her कि award function है and I need to wear this because it's winters. So I wanted to be in a velvet Indian attire. So yeah, that's how I got it from her. Yeah, 22 में अब ऐसा लगता है कि this pandemic and this virus and everything is the new normal. What we have to do is adjust. We have to be safe. We have to be aware. Keep your mask on. I am not wearing, but yeah, keep your mask on. Keep sanitizing. Take care of your loved ones, your parents, because these times are scary and ये virus मुझे नहीं लगता जाएगा जल्दी. But just hoping for the best that we all keep working and there's no lockdown. Yes, I'm very excited about it because last year release honi thi and then because of the pandemic it got delayed. So I am very excited. We worked very hard. We've shot in the winters in Punjab and had a great time together. The story is fascinating. So yeah. नहीं मैं कभी कोई expectations नहीं रखती. Then everything becomes a surprise. Everything that comes your way is a surprise. So I had a good time. I gave in my 100%, and the rest is for you all to decide after you watch the movie. It's been a wonderful journey for me. I started my career in 2003 in Bombay, and never looked back. I want to thank all the fans for continuous support, love, appreciation, which is why I'm here still. And I just feel very lucky and blessed and fortunate. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Hi.
Award function is going to happen and you are the chief guest of this award function. So how excited are you for this award function, ma'am?
Firstly, I want to thank Brands Impact for inviting me to Golden Glory Awards. I'm really happy to be here and to be able to award all the winners tonight. So thank you so much for having me.
Your song is also going on and people are more excited inside. So how excited are you?
So maybe I have to go.
So how excited are you to meet people out there?
Well, I'm really looking forward because normally we don't meet so many people except at shoot, but I'm looking forward to it. And I'm all golden. Yes, I didn't realize I'm all fully golden. That's right. It's perfectly timed and matched. Thank you. Thank you.
वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज जब अवार्ड मिल रहा होता है तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होता है. बाद में बताऊंगी जब मिल जाएगा.
Okay, so ma'am, it's a back-to-back award for you. So कैसा feeling होता है जब मिलता है और award आपके लिए कितना important है?
देखिए अवार्ड मेरे लिए ना एक अप्रिसिएशन टोकन बोलते हैं उसको, आई लाइक इट, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली मुझे अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है और मेरे काम को सराहा जा रहा है। इतने सालों बाद भी अगर कोई मुझे याद रख रहा है, थैंक्स टू योर मीडिया, थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया, थैंक्स टू आज के जितने भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ गए हैं, दे हैव केप्ट मी अलाइव, माई कैरेक्टर अलाइव, एंड एज एन एक्टर इट्स वेरी टॉप तक पहुँचना एक चीज़ है, वहाँ पे सस्टेन करना एक चीज़ है। सो आई थिंक आई हैव टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर दैट। अपने फैंस के लिए मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आपकी वजह से मैं, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड अ वेरी मेरी क्रिसमस एंड अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। जितनी जल्दी निकल जाए का बेटर होगा, जितनी जल्दी एंड हो जाए ये साल उतना मेरे लिए बेटर होगा। आई एम हैप्पी दैट इट इज़ एंडिंग फॉर मी ऑन अ वेरी गुड नोट, ऑन अ वेरी हाई नोट, सो आई कांट थैंक, बट आई कांट वेट फॉर 2021 टू गेट ओवर। पता नहीं है इसीलिए एक्साइटमेंट है कि 21 ख़त्म हो जाए, क्योंकि 21 में कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं था। देखिए उम्मीद पे तो दुनिया कायम है ना, तो मैं भी कायम ही हूँ। डोंट वरी, यू शैल हियर सम न्यूज़ सून। थैंक यू।
Hi. It feels great because we have won for the most stylish sisters, and style just comes very naturally to us, and we believe in being stylish and being comfortable in your own skin. That's style for us. So I think we're rewarded for just being us today, which is great.
It's very exciting because we won the most fashionable sisters, and it's all the more exciting because we won it together. It's, I think, our first award that we won together.
Yeah.
So it feels great. I mean, it's always amazing when you're acknowledged for your work, and being a designer, it feels awesome.
I have a lot happening next year, which I can't really talk about much because the production team has to first announce it. Only then I can. But 2022 is pretty packed for me. You'll see a lot of it.
I'm a designer, so of course there are a lot of things on my pocket, and it's just 2022 is looking pretty exciting for me.
For Christmas, just probably spend time with family. I just set up my Christmas tree yesterday. So obviously in the festive mode, happy holidays to everyone, and just spending time, good quality time with family.
I think 2022 is going to be fantastic for all of us, on a positive and a hopeful note. Wishing all of you a fantastic 2022.
So I think it's going to be amazing because we've gone through, all of us have gone through a lot in the last 2 years. So just looking for positivity and golden lights, and yeah, that's about it. Just good health to everyone. No, I've said that too many times. What do you want me to say? The Chandu ke Chacha dialogue. Sonakshi will say for me to say. Start.
Really? You want me to say?
Sonakshi will say. I think even she knows it by now, so start.
I've learned it from you. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी रात में चांदी चौक में चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
Yeah. Okay. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी रात में चांदी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. Happy?
Thank you. Happy New Year.